how to print a page in Notion. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to print a page in Notion. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to notion.com. Once you're on the site, log into your account. If you're not already signed in, just click on the Logged In button in the top right corner. You'll also see the option to continue with Google, which is a fast and easy way to sign in without remembering extra passwords. Once you're logged in, go to the specific Notion page you want to print. On the top right of that page, you'll see 3 little dots. Click on them. That opens up a menu with more options. From that list, find and click on Export. This feature lets you download your Notion content, which is perfect when you want to save or share something outside of the app. Now a pop-up window will appear. Under Export Format, choose PDF. This keeps the page sure everything looks just like it does in Notion. Below that, there's also a page format option. Click on it and select a 4. That's the standard page size for most printers and works well in most cases. Once you've chosen your settings, go ahead and click Export. Notion will take a few seconds to generate the PDF. When it's ready, download the file to your computer. Now it's time to print. Look for the print icon or go to File. Then click Print. Choose your printer, adjust your settings if needed, and hit Print. And that's it. Your Notion page is now in your hands as a printed document. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Notion tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching.